proper Cornish guy, and he slides his window as you do on a Land Rover, and I'd sort of open mine and stop to chat door to door, so as it were. And he says, "You having fun, are you?" Yeah, it's been great. He says, "Well," he says, "I don't mind." He says, "I don't mind in the slightest, but I think the archaeologists are going to be a bit cheesed off." And then when I stopped and I turned around and looked, I thought, "Oh yeah, it does. It's an archaeological dig." So if you ever hear that Stone Age man has had Land Rovers, then you know, that's what we found tyre tracks in Stone Age Britain. It's my fault. Fortunately, there was nobody about, so I didn't get caught or anything. Nobody said anything, except this old boy farmer, and he didn't seem too upset either. So yeah, but it was one of those daft things you do as an 18-year-old. Fortunately, I think 37 years or 36 years of passing has maybe got me off the hook, I don't know. No, hopefully. So that's one of the other funny stories we had.